Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This is the pole bean bed that I cleared out yesterday and got out the millions of weeds over here. And today I'm going to put in some sugar snap peas. This is some bag of chicken manure. Looks like just little dried up crunchy pellets of chicken manure. This soil had a lot of beans in it, so it's probably ready for some fertilizer. So I'm going to add that. Put my label in here. And then mix this in a little bit. Pull it back. So I got room to put my beans in. And my peas in. Hopefully they're going to climb right up the pole here like the pole beans do. And we'll get a crop. It's always tricky doing these because they have trouble when it's hot. Then we go to freeze, and somewhere in the middle it's just not a long enough period. But I plant them every year and hope. And occasionally we get a bunch, and that's enough to make sure that I do it again the next year. So there those go. And we'll cover them up. Then we'll get some water on them. And then that leaves me with all this other space here. So I'm probably going to put some garlic in right here. On the rest of this area here, I'm going to plant some garlic. Since I can't really plant anything, I got to put a cover over it because of the hoop. So I'm going to add some more fertilizer, or this chicken poop. Oh, that's some good chicken poop. Then we'll get this a light rake in. Remember, all this was fixed up yesterday when I took the beans out and did all the weeding work. So this soil here is pretty loose. Now, I like to get a different kind of garlic than I ended up with. I ordered an Italian. I like the redder garlic, purple garlic, but between ordering and the shipping, it went out of stock. And my choice was just the plain old California early garlic as a substitution. Not even close to being the same animal, but you know, you go what you can get. Now, I've been soaking these in a little bit of fertilizer water. Don't know if it'll help any or not. I'm guessing it won't hurt. Just place them in so I can see where they are. Then we'll come back and poke them in. The soil is good down about 6 inches, being pretty soft. So It was funny, I tried a couple places for garlic and all of them ended up telling me they had failures. And the only garlic that seems to be a lot of is the plain old California stuff. Shoot, I could have bought that at Costco. I had a lousy crop of garlic myself last year, so I can understand them having problems. The weather jumping around all over the place. It was terrible for my garlic. Planted onions after all of that had already happened, and the onion harvest was just unbelievable. So I did keep back some of my onions from last year, so hopefully I can plant some of my good ones, get a bit of a crop started again with them. Looks like I'm going to be just a couple short. Yep, I'm about 8 short, so I'll go bust up another clove. Alright, we got a few more. Okay, now we'll get them all pushed in. Okay, now get some water on it, and that'll be a little batch of garlic there done. So we'll move on to where the cabbages and cauliflower will be going next. So this is David with Grow and Eat This. It is September 28th, probably close to 80. Been really nice weather for the evening. We're starting to get some of the fall stuff in. Thank you for watching.